gonna try to make taco salads. Well, the shells anyway. If not, I buy chips just in case. The oven is preheated at 400 degrees. I have a glass bowl in here. I hope it doesn't break. We're gonna find out. Here we go. Pop the tortilla in the microwave just for a little bit. That's good. Stick it on here. Oh, my bowl's too big. Alright. Try a different bowl. Redo. Sorry about the background noise. Texans are in overtime. So, alright. Got two smaller bowls. I just pulled these out of the microwave after about 3 seconds or so. Stick it on there. Hopefully, I don't fuss them. I don't have like a happy medium sized bowl, so this is what I got. I'll pop in the oven for anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna keep checking on them. We'll see. After about almost 9 minutes in our oven, all ovens are different. Not perfect, but you know, it'll feed us. I'm gonna try a different container the next time. This one's a little better than that one. Nice and crispy. But I'm gonna try this. I don't know. We're gonna see if I like the shape better or not. Try another one. Yeah, that's plenty hot. I'll add some olive oil to this side. Lay it on there. Try to shape it off. I think that's gonna make a better shape. I hope. I don't know. We'll see. And then a little bit more on this side. Stick it back in there at 400 degrees. While those are cooking, I'm making the meat. So this is a mixture of jalapeno and cheese water buffalo meat that we have left over with some just regular hamburger beef. And I'm gonna be adding a little bit of cumin, a little bit of Julios. There's quite a bit of seasoning already in our water buffalo burger. If you're not, if you're just using regular hamburger meat, you just want to buy a seasoning pack from the store, that works great too. I just don't want this to be too salty. A bit of pepper too, just a little bit. Alright. Mix this up. I bought canned refried beans. No, we're gonna do that. Yeah, it's Christmas time. I don't have a lot of time. I must have got to wrap presents, but I'm doing laundry and hey, going on. And just let it cook while my shells cook. Like I said, if it doesn't work out, I want chips. Just a can of refried beans. So it's a 16-ounce can. Actually gonna add also a little bit of Julios to the refried beans. Okay, so this is still cooking, but I think this one is probably done. It's crispy, yes. It holds its shape and it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Stick this little bowl over here, pull up, and make another one. Here goes number 4 in the oven. Alright, so these two took 8 minutes to cook. These two took 9. This one in here I had set for 8 minutes. It's got a little less than a minute left, but I think it's done. So it's kind of random. So from 7 minutes to 10 minutes, make sure you're checking on them. You don't want to burn them. And I got my refried beans cooked. I cooked and drained the fat off the meat. And then I have shredded lettuce, pico de gallo, and cheese, and jalapenos to go on all this, and plus homemade salsa. So I definitely like this contraption better than the bowls. And that's, it could go in there for a little bit longer. Just let it go for a little bit longer. But I like the size of it better. It's like looks like it would hold more fillings. Unfortunately, I only have one of those. That's actually a metal utensil that goes to my husband's barbecue set for him to like baste and stuff with. So. I'm so sorry I had to cut this video short. We got word that our loving Uncle Charles passed away.